Today, I want to share a personal prediction about the future of artificial intelligence. This is not a statement of fact, nor am I claiming that these events will definitely happen. It is simply my perspective based on observing the rapid evolution of AI, robotics, computing power, and global technology. Right now, we use AI through companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and many others. Developers build applications by integrating these companies' AI models through APIs. Although we create our own software, the actual intelligence, the AI model, the infrastructure, and the massive server networks powering it remain under the control of those companies. We are building products on top of AI, but we do not own the AI itself. In my opinion, the next major breakthrough in AI will not just come from better software, but from advances in hardware and infrastructure. Faster AI chips, more powerful data centers, ultra-low latency networks, and next-generation computing will make AI dramatically faster than it is today. Instead of waiting several seconds or even minutes for complex responses, AI could respond almost instantly, interacting with people in a way that feels nearly indistinguishable from human conversation. We are already beginning to see the early signs of this evolution. When that happens, I believe robotics will experience its biggest transformation. Today, one of the biggest challenges in robotics is creating an intelligent brain capable of understanding the real world. In the future, that brain could simply be AI. Robots will use cameras and sensors to observe their surroundings. AI will analyze the information in real time, and motors and actuators will execute physical movements. The robot's body will be hardware, while its brain will exist as an advanced AI system connected through high-speed networks. I imagine a future where AI-powered robots become part of everyday life. They could work in hospitals, factories, offices, homes, public transportation, and even on city streets. Every robot would be connected to an AI system capable of making decisions, understanding its environment, and continuously learning. AI would no longer be just a chatbot. It would become the intelligence behind millions of physical machines operating across the world. However, this raises an important question: data sovereignty and national security. Every intelligent robot will constantly collect information about its surroundings. It will see, hear, understand, and interact with the physical world. That information will be incredibly valuable and sensitive. Because of this, I believe many governments will eventually want to reduce their dependence on foreign AI providers. Just as countries protect their military, infrastructure, communication networks, and critical industries, they may also seek to control the AI systems operating within their borders. This could lead to every nation developing its own government-controlled AI infrastructure. Imagine Bangladesh having its own national AI, China operating its own AI ecosystem, the United States maintaining another, and many other countries doing the same. Each nation could operate its own AI models, data centers, cloud infrastructure, and computing resources. Robots, autonomous vehicles, healthcare systems, factories, public services, and government operations within that country would all connect to its own national AI instead of relying on foreign platforms. In my view, that national AI would become the country's digital brain. Looking even further into the future, I think another possibility could emerge. Throughout history, powerful nations have always competed for technological leadership. AI may become one of the most important strategic technologies of the future. Because of that, one or more major powers might eventually attempt to build what could be described as a world AI, a centralized AI infrastructure designed to coordinate or influence large-scale AI systems across multiple regions. This is purely speculative, but it seems like one possible direction if AI continues evolving at its current pace. From my own religious perspective, I also sometimes wonder whether, if humanity ever reaches a period where someone or some organization attempts to establish global control, AI could become one of the technological foundations enabling such a system. This is simply a personal belief and philosophical thought, not a factual prediction. If such an AI hierarchy were ever created, I imagine it might look something like this. At the highest level would be a global AI layer. Beneath it, each country would operate its own government AI. And beneath those national systems would be millions of AI-powered robots, autonomous vehicles, drones, factories, and smart devices. Each layer would manage the systems below it, creating a large, interconnected AI ecosystem. If this future becomes reality, it could fundamentally change human civilization. Governments, transportation, healthcare, manufacturing, education, security, and everyday life could all become deeply integrated with AI. Robots might perform many physical tasks while AI manages decision-making on a scale we've never experienced before. Today, these ideas may sound like science fiction or something from a futuristic movie, but many technologies that once seemed impossible, the internet, smartphones, self-driving cars, and advanced conversational AI have gradually become part of everyday life. So I don't present these ideas as certainty. I simply believe they are worth thinking about. I'm sharing this prediction today to document my thoughts. Perhaps years from now, we can look back and compare these ideas with reality. Maybe some of these predictions will prove to be accurate, and maybe many of them won't. I don't claim to be the first person to think this way. Many researchers, futurists, and technologists are undoubtedly exploring similar possibilities. This is simply my personal perspective on where AI and humanity might be heading. Only time will reveal how close or how far these predictions are from the future that ultimately unfolds.